Happy Christmas everyone, I'm Ali and today I'm cleaning up our guest bedroom and our ensuite. This used to be our master bedroom but we've just changed it over. So I like to start right up at the top, so I'm getting into this blind. I'm using the Mint method cleaner for glass and surface, and unfortunately here I've actually broken the blind, so I had to get my hubby to come in and help me out. Hope you're at home cleaning as well. I'm going to leave this song to play, so I hope you enjoy. I'll be back soon.
Whoa, oh, oh, la da da da, oh, 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 la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da, making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new. 'Cause I missed you, so I'm letting go of everything but you. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories, oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories, oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da, making our Christmas memories. I've been wrapping presents for you. I've been hanging marbles in the tree, and I've lit my house with Christmas lights. So you should come back home to me. And when we wake up in the morning, I'm gonna play those carols that you love. We'll be singing all the melodies until the sun comes up. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories, oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories, oh, oh, la da da da. Christmas memories. Yes, these are the good times with you. Don't even care what we do if I spend it with you. Just you and nobody else. It's so good to see you again, to see you again. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire, chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be?
I thought this basket was an awesome idea, a way to put items for your guests. Here are some pebbles that I'm going to give to Mum to use with her succulents. I thought this brown blanket would look nice, but I didn't like it, so I took it away. To clean the skirting boards, sometimes I use the vacuum with the brush on the end, but today I wanted to give the skirting boards a really deep clean, so I used the mint spray and a cloth and really got into it.
Summer's long gone, baby. The first snow is about to fall. Everybody's waiting for what's to come. We gather round the chimney, sitting close to keep us warm. The mistletoe is hanging at the door. Christmas is the time to set your mind and spirit free. Everybody smiling while we dance.
My daughter woke up from her lunchtime nap, so I came back another day to clean the bathroom. My hubby was helping me film, and in the end we decided it was easier if I filmed and he cleaned, which worked out well.
That hail our Savior's birth. Go tell it on the mountain, over the hills and everywhere. Go tell it on the mountain that Jesus Christ is down in a lonely manger, our humble Christ was born, and God sent us salvation that blessed Christmas morn. When I am a seeker, I seek both night and day. I seek the Lord to help me, and He shows me the way.
Gets very dusty, and then you add water to it, and then you just end up pushing all the dust and dirt around. So instead, a bit of a dust.
Ocean, let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sanctuary. Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. And I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and the sun said it is just getting better on a blanket with the skyline painted in blue. Ooh, yeah, that's what we do. We'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sanctuary. Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. Here we go. All right. Dance, dance, now this Christmas, we're gonna dance. We're gonna dance, 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 come on. Dance. We're gonna dance, dance, have a good time. Dance, dance, all night long. We're gonna dance, dance, and have a good time. I think Santa's gonna come and join us in this song. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year
As I put out some fresh new towels for our guests, I hope you really enjoyed this clean with me video and that you came along and cleaned as well.
making angels in the sanctuary. Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart.
It certainly adds another challenge cleaning with a toddler. Thanks heaps for watching, guys. Take care. Bye.